In one of our recent projects, ParaMatic detailed in every well to ensure that the construction model shows every bit of information necessary to fabricate the steelwork. The information of the weld is obtainable by just clicking on the weld and finding information related to it using Trimble Connect. Use this to inspect or to help you with fabrication of your steel structures.
Welcome to the next generation of plant design, layouts and detailing for fabrication. Transform the way you engineer with ParaMatic projects today. Visit our website for more information at www.paramatic.co.za